guys, we have a hop and a giveaway today. We are doing some scene building. We have lots of scene building card ideas for you on this hop. You can check out the description box for all the details on the giveaway and hop. You'll see the next person in line to hop on over to. We will be giving away a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. There will be a Rafflecopter link in the description box for you to click on to head on over there to enter into this giveaway. This giveaway is open for 1 week. It's open to everyone, including international. So for my video, I am using the brand new fall release from Not Too Shabby. One of the stamp sets I am using is the Pumpkin Spice Everything stamp set and the You, Me, and Pumpkin Spice stamp set. I love these cute little squirrels from that set. They are just so darling. So I'm going to do a lot of masking for this card. For my masking paper, I'm using Post-it note with the full adhesive on the back. So I first stamp out my image, and I know this image is going to be in front of the other images. So you always want to put the image down first. That's going to be in front of everything. So I'll finish cutting up my mask here, place that down, and get ready to stamp my next stamp that's going to be beside this cute little squirrel. I want the squirrel to hold the pumpkin coffee cup. So I'm going to stamp that down, and then I'm going to mask that little cup so we can stamp what's going to be behind these two guys. I like to take out the other stamps and kind of place them where I want them on the card. That way I have an idea where to stamp what. So I know I want these two larger images to be in the background and the squirrels to be in the front of the scene. So I'm going to stamp out my cute little squirrel, create a mask for him, cut that out, place the mask on the stamped image, and then we'll work on stamping the background. So let's ink up that other image, this beautiful pumpkin cluster with the coffee cups. I love the scarf around the pumpkin. I had a lot of fun drawing that image. So we're going to stamp out the other cluster on the other side. So when we take off the masks, it's going to look like those two squirrels are in front of these two clusters. So it's going to make a really pretty scene. I just love those two squirrels. They are just the cutest. Monique Cannon was the illustrator of the other 3 stamp sets in my new release, and she did a fabulous job. I just love the way they turned out. So now I'm going to stamp my Stay Cozy sentiment. I thought it was perfect with these images. The little squirrel in his scarf, and the pumpkin has his scarf on too. So I'm going to do some Copic coloring. I'll play some music so you can watch the Copic coloring, and I'll meet you on the other side. We'll talk about the ground that we'll be creating. A little tip when coloring, I did make sure to bring the red across the page. So I wanted your eye to move across the page with the coordinating colors. So I did do the cups in red. I brought the red across with the scarf, the berries, the leaves, the other cup, and then the leaf on the end all the way to the left. Here I'm taking our splatter stamp from our fall gnomes set. I use this stamp to ground images. I think it looks like rocks or pebbles. So I do that all the way across my image here so it creates a nice ground. And then we will do some Copic coloring on the top, and also I will bring in a brownish color to mix in with that gray color, and I think it turns out really cool in the end. Here I'm taking my Copic marker and creating some grass. I did it in some shades of yellow and brown because this is a fall card and I'm pretty sure the grass is probably turned yellow at this point, so I thought it went well with the colored images. Don't forget to head on over to the next person in the hop. Thank you for hopping with us. I really do appreciate that. And I'll catch you real soon. Bye, guys.